Hello and welcome to this week's uh, distance learning. A few announcements before you get to your assignments. First of all, for homework submissions, make sure that you are submitting and pressing the submit button so that you get a score recorded. If you are doing makeup work, and it is more than what has been assigned last week. So for this week, it would be stuff assigned before April 20th. Please send me a message either through Schoology or through Gmail to tell me which assignment it is that you're completing so I don't have to go look through every assignment. It just will make it a lot easier and a lot quicker for me to update your grade. Quiz retakes. If you retake a quiz, please let me know. Send me a message either through Gmail or through Schoology so that I can record your new score. That will be very helpful. Lastly, with grades, don't worry about the gradebook in Schoology. That is not your official grade. I set that up so that it would be a little bit easier for me to take a look at who's got what done. Also, don't ask me what you can do to raise your grade. Take care of it yourself. Look at Infinite Campus. Look at your quiz scores. See if you have anything missing. Those things are what will improve your grade. Right now, we've had 2 quizzes as of last week, Friday. Only one of them is in the gradebook. So if you had a poor score, yes, your grade is going to be lower. But you have the ability to retake that quiz. If you have retaken it and your grade doesn't reflect that in Infinite Campus, let me know. You probably retook it, forgot to send me a message. So I don't know that you retook it. Please take care of that. It will make things go a lot smoother. Good luck this week, and I will look forward to seeing work coming in, and look forward to seeing you in the coming weeks. There will be no Google Hangout meeting this week because you will not have classes on Friday. But if you have questions and would like some explanations, please send me a message and we can set up a video meeting. And I will do that through Google. That's all I have. Have a wonderful week and go Spartans.